Ever wondered how Google ranks websites? What role does technical SEO play in this process? These questions surround a complex digital landscape, but don't worry, we're here to break it down. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is a strategy that businesses and individuals use to increase the quantity and quality of traffic to their websites via organic search engine results. It's a blend of creative and technical elements that, when combined, improve rankings, drive traffic, and increase awareness in search engines. Now, within this world of SEO, there's an unsung hero that plays a crucial role, but often goes unnoticed. Technical SEO. Just as a car needs a well-oiled engine to run smoothly, a website needs a solid technical SEO foundation to rank higher in search engine results. Technical SEO is the aspect of SEO that focuses less on content and more on the architecture of your website. It's the process of optimizing your website for the crawling and indexing phase, ensuring search engines can access, crawl, interpret, and index your website without any problems. It's like giving Google a roadmap to your site, making it easier for it to understand what your website is about and how valuable it could be to users. But that's not all. Technical SEO also involves improving aspects like website speed and mobile optimization. With internet users becoming increasingly impatient, a slow-loading website is a surefire way to send visitors bouncing. Similarly, with more than half of all web traffic coming from mobile devices, having a mobile-optimized website is no longer optional, it's essential. In a nutshell, technical SEO is all about creating a strong technical framework for your website, making it easy for search engines to understand, easy for users to navigate, and ensuring it performs well in the fast-paced, mobile-first digital world. So, whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or a digital marketer, remember this. Technical SEO is the backbone of your website's visibility and plays a pivotal role in your site's Google ranking. Now let's delve into what technical SEO encompasses. At its core, technical SEO is about optimizing your website for the crawling and indexing phase, with a focus on four main components: website speed, mobile optimization, site architecture, and crawlability. Let's start with website speed. In the fast-paced digital world we live in, waiting for a web page to load can feel like an eternity. Your website speed is fundamental not only for a great user experience, but also for your Google ranking. Slow websites can lead to lower engagement, higher bounce rates, and a loss of potential customers. Next up is mobile optimization. With the majority of internet users accessing the web via their mobile devices, it's crucial that your website is optimized for mobile. This means your site should look and function just as well on a smartphone as it does on a desktop computer. Google's mobile-first indexing rewards websites that are mobile-friendly, so it's well worth the effort to ensure your site meets this criterion. Now let's talk about site architecture. This refers to how your website is structured and organized. A well-structured website makes it easier for users to navigate and find what they're looking for, and it also aids search engines in understanding the content of your website. Good site architecture is like a well-organized library. It allows both users and search engines to easily find the information they need. Lastly, we have crawlability. This is the ability of a search engine to crawl through all the content on your website, understand what each page is about, and index it accordingly. If a search engine can't crawl your website effectively, it won't be able to index your content, and your visibility in search engine results could be compromised. Each component of technical SEO contributes to making your website more digestible for search engines, and thus more visible for your audience. Ever left a website because it took too long to load? You're not alone. From online shopping to blog browsing, speed plays a pivotal role in our digital experiences. In fact, a delay of just 1 second can lead to 7% fewer conversions. Now, let's talk about why website speed is vital in technical SEO. Website speed is a critical search ranking factor. When your site loads quickly, it provides a better user experience, which Google recognizes and rewards. Slow websites, however, can lead to higher bounce rates as visitors won't stick around waiting for pages to load. They'll simply move on to a faster site, and your search rankings will take a hit. Now, how can you improve your website speed? Start by optimizing images. Large, high-resolution images can significantly slow down your site. Consider using compression tools to reduce image file sizes without sacrificing quality. Next, consider using a content delivery network, or CDN. CDNs distribute your site's content across a network of servers worldwide, allowing users to load your site from a server closest to them, enhancing speed. Just as important as website speed is mobile optimization. With over half of global web traffic coming from mobile devices, having a mobile-friendly site is no longer optional, it's mandatory. Mobile optimization means ensuring your website looks and functions just as well on a small smartphone screen as it does on a desktop. So, how do you make sure your site is mobile-friendly? Responsive design is key. This approach ensures your website's layout adapts to the screen size of the device it's being viewed on. Also, remember to keep your mobile site speed in mind. Just like on desktop, mobile users won't wait around for slow-loading pages. In conclusion, speed and mobile optimization are vital elements of technical SEO. They not only enhance user experience but also have a significant impact on your search engine rankings. A fast, mobile-optimized website not only pleases your visitors but also scores you points with Google. Imagine trying to find a book in a library with no organization system. That's how search engines feel about poorly structured websites. Let's delve into the world of site architecture and crawlability, two crucial components of technical SEO. When we talk about site architecture, we're referring to how your website is structured. Think of it as the blueprint of your website. It's the way your web pages are organized and linked to one another. A well-structured site makes it easier for search engines to navigate and index your pages. On the other hand, crawlability refers to the ability of a search engine to crawl or navigate through your website, inspecting each page to understand its content. When a website is easily crawlable, search engines can efficiently find, read, and index the pages, improving the site's visibility in search results. So, how can you ensure your website has a solid structure and is easily crawlable? Here are some practical tips. First, keep your site's architecture as simple as possible. Stick to a hierarchical structure, with the home page at the top, followed by category pages, and then individual pages or posts. This not only helps search engines understand your site, but also improves user experience. Second, make sure you're using internal links wisely. These are the links that connect one page on your site to another. They guide search engines around your site, helping them discover more of your content. Third, create an XML sitemap. This is essentially a roadmap of your website that helps search engines find all the important pages, even if your internal linking isn't perfect. Lastly, ensure your site is free from crawl errors. These are issues that prevent search engines from accessing parts of your site. You can use tools like Google's Search Console to identify and fix these errors. Remember, just like a library, a well-structured, easily crawlable website is a joy for search engines to visit. If your site is organized and easy to navigate, search engines and users alike will thank you. A well-structured, easily crawlable website is like a well-organized library. It's a joy for search engines to visit. So, what have we learned about technical SEO? Well, we've dug deep into the world of technical SEO, unraveling its complexities and highlighting its significance. In a nutshell, technical SEO is the backbone of your website. It's the behind-the-scenes maestro that ensures your site is easily discoverable and navigable, both for users and search engine spiders. We started by understanding why technical SEO is crucial. It's not just another buzzword in the digital marketing landscape. Rather, it's a fundamental aspect of your website's performance and visibility. By optimizing your site's technical elements, you're essentially rolling out the red carpet for search engines, inviting them to crawl, understand, and index your content effectively. Next, we broke down the components of technical SEO. We looked at everything from XML sitemaps to canonical tags, and from HTTP status codes to hreflang attributes. While these terms may sound like jargon, they are actually vital cogs in the technical SEO machine. Each plays a unique role in making your website more search engine friendly. We then focused on the role of website speed and mobile optimization. In our fast-paced world, speed is of the essence. A slow-loading website is a surefire way to drive away visitors and fall out of favor with search engines. Similarly, with more than half of all web traffic coming from mobile devices, a mobile-optimized website is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Moving on, we delved into site architecture and crawlability. We learned that a well-structured website not only enhances user experience, but also facilitates search engine crawling. By implementing a logical site hierarchy and ensuring all pages are accessible within a few clicks, you can significantly boost your site's crawlability. Remember, technical SEO is not a one-time task, but an ongoing commitment. It's the foundation of your website's success in the digital world. So, keep learning, keep optimizing, and let technical SEO be your guide to better visibility and higher rankings.